What if 5 simple tweaks could make any idea you share impossible to forget? Today, we're diving into the science behind sticky ideas. Drawn from the brilliant book, Made to Stick, I'll walk you through 5 principles that turn forgettable messages into mental Velcro. Principle 1, unexpected. Our brains are prediction machines. Break the pattern, and you instantly own the spotlight. Imagine hearing, "Deer kill more Americans than sharks." Your mental brakes screech, attention captured. Then you learn it's traffic accidents, and the twist locks in memory. To apply this, find your message's core. Ask, what would surprise my audience about this? Principle 2, simplicity. Simple equals core plus compact. Journalists use the inverted pyramid. Lead with the vital fact, then layer details. Picture a war telegram, only one line allowed. That's commander's intent, crystal clear priority. Once core is found, compact it with memory flags. Say only 37% of staff know the goal. Compare it to 7 players attacking the wrong goal. Suddenly, the danger feels real. Analogies work the same magic. Tell students you'll never use algebra in real life. Then explain math is mental weight lifting. You don't lift weights to lift weights, you lift to live fully. Principle 3, concrete. The more senses involved, the stickier the idea. Bicycle is easier to recall than injustice. Popcorn has 20 grams of fat, feels meaningless. But say it's fattier than bacon, Big Mac, and steak combined. Now the message triggers action. Experts suffer the curse of knowledge. Once we know something, we forget what it's like not to know. In the tapper and listener study, tappers assumed 50% success. Reality, only 2.5% guessed right. That's why your brilliant plan puts people to sleep. Principle 4, stories. Meet Jard, 425 pounds, life dictated by seat sizes. He needed empty adjacent parking spots just to open his car door. Then he invents the Subway diet. Drops 100 pounds in 3 months. Eventually loses 245 pounds total. Sales jump 18%, then 16% again. Because stories aren't just heard, they're relived. Neurons in our brain mirror the hero's journey. Facts fade, stories stick for decades. Principle 5, emotional. Mother Teresa said, "If I look at the mass, I never act. If I look at one, I wills." Researchers tested this, Rokia versus statistics. Rokia's story pulled in $2.38. Statistics, only $1.14. Priming people to calculate, dropped giving to $1.26. Priming for feelings, kept it at $2.34. Analytical hats, dull empathy. So spotlight one person, not the masses. Set emotional mood before you speak. These 5 principles, unexpected, simple, concrete, stories, emotional. Turn any message into mental Velcro. Which principle will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with someone whose ideas deserve to stick. Thanks for watching.